Deakin Uni talk health to me. Like every other year 12, I had no idea what I wanted to do particularly, but my beloved chemistry teacher, she opened my eyes up to optometry. I had no idea what the field was before that. I really loved the optometry after I found out a little bit about it. If I had to describe optometry in 3 words, I would say it's an engaging course. It's quite challenging, but most importantly, it's the most rewarding course that I think I could have done as a person. I think Deakin really prepares you well for that real world experience because they give you so much placements and there's so much industry connections that they do have that you feel like you graduate job ready, which I really like. So this morning I was actually in eye surgery where I'm watching an ophthalmologist perform a surgery on a patient, and it was kind of really cool seeing the theoretical side that we learn at UZ kind of meet up and match up with the practical side where we see ophthalmologists actually performing surgery. So me myself, I've been quite blessed. I have quite good vision. What one of the tutors decided to give me, a high-powered contact lens. When I put it on my eye, it made me really short-sighted. Everything just became a blur. I was like, are you serious? This is what people actually see? And in that moment, I realized, okay, I actually want to make a difference. And that's why I really reinforced my decision to kind of pursue optometry. So one of the biggest reasons that I actually chose the Deakin course is due to the accelerated program that they run over here. In 3.5 years, you're able to finish with your bachelor's and your master's degrees, which I find is a massive advantage. You build so many social connections and everyone just gets along. I believe we should help people in all aspects, and if I can do that through optometry, I'll be happy. I just want to make sure that I'm an optometrist that actually wants to have an impact on my community. It's not the best environment, but